In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert super large metric units, like gigameters, into meters using the exponent. So we know that the distance from Earth to Jupiter is 778 gigameters. That is the same exact distance, same thing as saying 778 times 10 to the power of 9 meters. Now, I want to be able to get the long form of the distance in meters. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start off by writing 778, and we're going to put that decimal place, even though it's invisible, right there. Now, we're going to identify that we need to go 9 jumps. So I know I have to go 9 jumps because that's the exponent. So I'm going to go 9 jumps over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now this is the new spot of my decimal place. Each one of those jumps, I'm going to put a 0. I'm going to put a 0 for every jump that's not already filled with a number. From here, I can put my little commas every 3 spaces. And I can put my new unit, which is meters. So I know the distance from Earth to Jupiter is 778 gigameters. It's also the same exact thing as saying 778 times 10 to the power of 9 meters. It's also the same thing as saying this giant number, meters, all the same. Now let's do one that might be a little bit more confusing. We're going to do the bacteria size in micrometers. So we know that the size of a bacteria, a very small one, do that, is 0.2 micrometers. That's the same thing as saying 0.2 times 10 to the power of -6 meters. Same exact distance, we're just using different units. Now, if I want to write this out in the long form, I'm going to write 0.2, but this time, because this is a negative, it's a negative exponent, I'm going to jump in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go 6 jumps over in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is the new location of my decimal place. I'm going to fill every jump that's not already filled with a number with a 0. And I'm going to put my unit at the end. So remember, meters is just like a meter stick. It's a little bit longer than a yard, but it's a very, very small fraction of a meter. So I know the size of bacteria is the same, is 0.2 micrometers, is the same exact thing, same distance as saying 0.2 times 10 to the power of -6 meters. And if I were to write out in the long form, this would be the length of it in meters, all the same distance. I hope that helps. You now can convert any of your units into the long form. All right, that's it.